Hi everyone, welcome to Upskill Mafia. So, in case you couldn't attend the session where we told about this campus, or you couldn't understand anything about this campus, so you can watch this video. And this is the place where exactly you would be learning complete full stack development for free with Mern stack, and you won't pay anything for this, and we won't charge you any money for teaching you this complete Mern stack, right? So now you might be wondering, how do I exactly get to this screen? So you don't have to worry. You just have to open this upskillmafia.com slash merge slash campus and just press enter, and you would be taken to this part, right? Now, once you are here, at first sight, it might seem like what this all is about, and it might seem complex, right? So don't worry, I would just quickly explain you how everything works and how you would be exactly learning complete months full stack development here, right? So this is our campus. You can actually zoom in and zoom out using your touchpad, or you can also drag it using your touchpad itself, or you can also use scroll bar or mouse to zoom in and zoom out, and again drag it anywhere. Now here in this campus, you can see I have, if I zoom in, I have this cute little avatar of mine where my name is written, and I can move this avatar anywhere in on this screen, like using my arrow keys, top right, keyboard arrow keys, up right, top down, and I can also double click anywhere on the screen and I would be taken there, right? So this is how it works. And again, you can see there's this brightened square around my avatar, if you can see, right? This is basically to connect with other people. So if I go near to Jatin, and if these two auras get connected, we both would be able to interact with each other. So you see, if I move away, I would be disconnected, and if I move to him, I would be connected, right? So again, I can go to Amol, and I would be connected to him. Now if once connected, I can just unmute myself and then talk to him via video, audio, or via chat, right? So I can chat with him as well. So this is how this aura works, this bright and square thing works. Next, you can see this whole campus is divided into three sections: event hall, learning hall, and challenge hall. Event hall is basically the place where events happen, as the name suggests. So basically all the webinars, live sessions, group competitions, hackathons, all those stuff happens here. And in event hall we have two areas: the stage, and these are the basically discussion rooms, which you can see. So these are nothing but direct, you can say, these are sort of areas where you can interact with each other. So you can see right now Momic and Guest 702 are standing in the same. So if I go into the stage, I would be connected to these two guys, right? So I need not be near to them, but I can just if even if I'm away, I would be connected to them, and we all would be able to hear and talk with each other. So around 100 200 people can together come in this stage, and they would be interacted. So no, if I go in outside this area, then I would get disconnected to those people. Similarly, for the discussion rooms, here around 5 to 6 people can come in together, and they would be able to have a group discussion. They can interact with each other, and they would not hear anything outside this discussion room, and nobody outside would be able to hear what's been discussed in these discussion rooms, right? So this is how it works. So basically, this would come into play if you have some group projects or group discussions. So you can get divided into the groups, and then you can come into these discussion rooms and have a discussion. Now coming to the main area, which is the main hall, which is the learning hall. Here exactly you would be learning the complete Mern stack for free. So let me tell you how. So you can see there are multiple table and chairs in this learning hall, where something is written like task 0, task 1, task 2, task 3, and so on till task 9. And then if I zoom in again, this group project is written. So now our whole complete full stack development course is divided into around 22 tasks, right? So these 22 tasks cover all the aspects, ranging from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, REST APIs, group projects, and so on. So we have divided this complete full stack development into 22 tasks, which will also have 4 group projects. So once you do task 0, then you can go to task 1 table, do that, then go to task 2 table, do that, and so on till task 9. Once you do that, then we will have a group project. and after that you can go inside this lift for the other part. So this is the part 1 of the campus, and you can go to this part 2 via going to this lift where you would get the other task. Now let me tell you how exactly you have to access that task. So I can go to any table. So this star 0, let's go to the star 0 table. So if I go to this, you can see at the bottom we have this open apps button, right? At the bottom you can see this open apps. Okay, I can just click here and this dashboard would open up where I would get a lecture and also an assignment. So I can click on this lecture and open this lecture. It would open in a new tab. Then I can watch this lecture and then I can open this assignment and submit this assignment via this Google form link. So this is how it would work. You can just uh, watch the video, then open this assignment and submit it from this link. So once you do that task 0, so all the tasks are same in this task 0 tables, then you can move to any of the task 1 table to do task 1 and then task 2. So if I go to task 1, I can just again open from this open apps. At the bottom you can see again the you can watch the HTML. We have the lectures in both Hindi and English. You can watch in any of it and then submit the assignment here. Again you would see a submission link here at the bottom, right? So all the process has been mentioned, what you have to do and how you have to submit. So this is how it would work in this. Once you do this task till task 9, then there is a group project. So you can make your team with your own friends, or you can make new friends here, and you can get the teammates from the, you can say, from the WhatsApp group that I would be telling you about. Once you do these task 9 and then group project, you can then directly go to this lift. So you can have to just double click here and you would be taken to the other part of the campus. Yeah. So again here we have 22 tasks. You can see task till task 22, and then again group projects in between. You can see group projects here. So here we will be teaching you JavaScript, React.js, Node.js, and so on. In the part 1 we had HTML, CSS, and here all the other topics. So now again here the same thing is there. So the campus is totally same, just the other part is present here. So you can again click on open apps here and do the task here. So this is a task and these are the lectures and so on. So this is how it would work. Wait. So this is how it would work and so on till task 22. Once you complete these all tasks 22 along with the group projects, you will get a certificate from UpskillMafia telling you have completed all the projects and assignments. And also we would help you with the internship and placement opportunities after doing these tasks. In case if you face any doubts while learning, you would have your mentors live in the mentor room from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. So you can join anytime between 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. and interact with the mentors and get your doubts resolved. So the campus is live every day, but it is recommended to join between 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. so that you can interact with other peers as well as with the mentors. Now at the top right, we have this gaming arena. So you can just go here and play multiplayer games with your friends. So you have many games here. You can choose any of it and play with your friends. Else we have this challenge hall where here the tables mentioned we regularly have group competitions and group challenges. So you can participate in any of those by coming here whenever we announce them and you can join. Okay. So now you can just directly join our official WhatsApp group. So type this URL in your mobile phone browser and you would be redirected to our WhatsApp group and you can join there. So that group is basically so that you actually you are actually updated about all our group competitions, hackathons, live sessions and mentor sessions and all other updates. So just join this group so that you are connected with us. So just type this URL and see. Okay guys, thank you.